The future of robotic cardiac surgery was on full display at ISMICS 2026, where the world's leading cardiac surgeons, innovators, and healthcare leaders came together to advance the next generation of minimally invasive surgery. Representing India on the global stage, SS Innovations showcased the SSI Mantra surgical robotic system, demonstrating how indigenous innovation is redefining robotic-assisted surgery worldwide. A major highlight of the scientific program was for Dr. Sudhir Srivastava. Presentation, David and Goliath, Robotic Surgery and What Makes Us Unique, sharing the vision, innovation, and global impact of the SSI Mantra platform. Continuing the scientific exchange, Dr. Lalit Malik presented his experience with robotic mitral valve repair, followed by his Day 2 presentation on totally endoscopic coronary artery bypass using the SSI Mantra surgical robotic system, demonstrating the platform's precision, dexterity, and capabilities in complex cardiac procedures. Beyond the scientific sessions, visitors experienced the advanced technology of Mantra system firsthand and appreciated its design, open-faced ergonomic surgeon console, and advanced visualization. ISMICS 2026 was a testament to innovation, collaboration, and the shared commitment to advancing robotic cardiac surgery. At SS Innovations, we remain dedicated to pushing the boundaries of surgical technology and expanding global access to advanced, precision-driven robotic care.